Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri and today is Slow Cooker Sunday. So today's recipe is not just great for a Halloween party, it's also great for using up leftover candy after the holiday. We're going to be making a candy bar fondue. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, fun, and Halloween, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and check the description. You will find details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. Okay, so not only is this great for Halloween and after Halloween, the other thing I love about this is it is so simple, as a lot of your slow cooker recipes are. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and put the cap back on our cooking spray. We're just going to spray the inside of our slow cooker, and then we're going to add in a half a cup of heavy whipping cream. We're going to add in about 7 ounces. I believe that's a small jar of marshmallow cream, but because I have the large jar, I'm just going to put about half of this in here. And these measurements really don't have to be exact. And just like the candy bars I'm going to use, I'm using Milky Ways because that's what I have. And I think that's what the original recipe called for. But you can use whatever kind of candy bars you have, left over from Halloween. And I'm going to say fondue is usually smooth, so like Three Musketeers, Milky Ways, but you could definitely use Snickers. It would just be like it'd be like a chunky fondue. So I've got 6 little mini Milky Ways. And then I think it's supposed to be 25 unwrapped caramels. I don't really know how many ounces that is. I just know I have a bag of the caramel bits, so in they go. It also calls for a bag of chocolate chips. I have a half a bag of mini chocolate chips, but I also have a little bit left of butterscotch chips, so those are going to go in there as well. And that's all there is to it. We are going to find our lid. When we find the lid, we will put it on here, and we're going to let this cook for, I don't know, an hour to 2 hours on low until it's all nice and melted. And then we'll get together like some marshmallows and some other things that we can dip in it. All right, our fondue should be done. One thing I forgot to mention, though, is you might want to peek in on it every once in a while and just kind of give it a little bit of a stir. But look at that. Looks like I got a couple of teeny tiny marshmallow pieces in there that still need to melt down, but it smells so good. It's a big bowl of chocolate. So then I just took some strawberries and marshmallows and I just alternated them on my little skewers so that I can set them next to it. So we'll just thread these on here. And last one, and actually I think I'll just save this one. I'm going to put it on here. We'll do this instead. So that way I don't make too big of a mess, and we'll give this a try. I know it's good, but I got a big bite of strawberry, so I got a big strawberry flavor and like a little bit of chocolate. So I think I kind of need to taste it on its own. It kind of tasted like a big melted Milky Way. It's marshmallowy. You can definitely taste the marshmallow. It's like marshmallow and chocolate. I don't know that I really taste the caramel, so I'm wondering if that was equal to like 25 unwrapped caramels. I don't know, but it certainly is good. And I'm really anxious to kind of see what kind of candy bars the kids get at Halloween and what other candy bars I can put in here and make with that. But all in all, it's really good and it's so easy to make. I mean, this is like a great thing for a Halloween party because it requires no work whatsoever. So I hope you guys give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.